Don't download Raison app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the Raison app, hold on for a moment. Most people get this wrong. Raison markets itself as a simple, user-friendly investment platform, but the surprising truth is that it has limitations that could affect your returns and investment strategy. Raison offers automated portfolios designed to simplify investing for beginners. You pick your risk level, and the app builds a diversified portfolio of its for you. On the surface, this sounds perfect for hands-off investing. For example, a conservative investor might get a mix of bonds and dividend-paying stocks, while a more aggressive investor will get higher equity exposure. Here's where many people go wrong. First, fees. Raison charges a management fee of 0.75% per year. While that may not seem like much, compared to robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront that charge 0.25%, it can significantly impact long-term growth. On its zero portfolio, that's per year just in fees. Next, portfolio flexibility. You cannot pick individual stocks or adjust sector allocations beyond the risk slider. If you want control over your holdings or want to avoid certain industries, Raison's automated approach can feel restrictive. Another consideration is performance. While automated portfolios are convenient, they may underperform index funds during certain market cycles. For instance, if bonds underperform in a rising interest rate environment, a conservative Raison portfolio could lag behind comparable market benchmarks. In conclusion, don't download Raison app if your priority is low fees, complete control, or maximum market returns. It's best for investors who value simplicity and are okay with slightly higher fees and limited customization. Knowing these trade-offs will help you decide whether Raison is a convenient starting point or if another investment platform might better suit your goals.